Getting a C++ runtime error every time you open NVIDIA GeForce Experience, or it crashes instantly? If yes, you are not alone, and this video is exactly what you're looking for. This problem usually happens because Visual C++ files are missing or corrupted, NVIDIA services are broken, or old drivers are conflicting with Windows. Sometimes a failed update or leftover files silently cause this runtime error without any warning. Many guides online tell you to reinstall Windows, use risky commands, or follow very long steps that just waste your time. On 0x80D, I keep things simple and effective. I found a secret easy trick that fixes the C++ runtime error in NVIDIA GeForce Experience and makes it open normally again. This method repairs the required C++ components, fixes NVIDIA background services, and removes hidden conflicts the right way. You do not need any advanced knowledge or third-party tools. I tested this fix on multiple Windows systems, and it works smoothly every time. Make sure you watch the full video so you do not miss the small step most tutorials skip. If you want a full step-by-step guide explained clearly, comment below and tell me you are facing this error. 0x80D always brings real solutions that actually work.